Next ticker today is Tesla. The stock is sliding after a report that China is suspending customs clearances and the use of Model 3s due to improper labeling. That's according to a Chinese news agency. Shanghai officials reported finding irregularities in 1,600 Model 3s that were set for delivery in China. This is coming as Tesla's store closings reportedly came as a surprise to its employees. Now, Bloomberg reports that many sales personnel found out when Tesla had published a blog post last week. Yahoo Finance's Blikre is back with me. Jared, China suspension here, another problem for Tesla. It seems like we wake up every day to a problem for Tesla.
Yeah, and here every little bit of cash helps, right? Now, the latest reports on this is that on these 1,600 cars that are sitting in China, it's a labeling issue. Allegedly, it's a mistake, and the Chinese officials are working with Tesla to resolve it, but they're still sitting there in the time being. And back of the envelope calculation is that's worth $50 to $70 million worth of cash. Now, rewind to last Thursday, when Tesla announced price cuts to the Model 3. It also had a $920 million cash payment due to bondholders. And then there are other reports that Tesla was engaged in further price discounting in China on Monday, with Model 3s cut by up to 8%, and then the Model X, which is on the very high end, cut by up to 40%. All of this seems a little bit troubling for its balance sheet, also considering the fact that it issued some guidance last Thursday, not very clear guidance, but lowering the guidance for the current quarter in which we are. I think there are going to be a lot of eyeballs on Tesla going into its next earnings statement.
Okay, China's supposed to be a huge growth market, obviously, for Tesla, and it's also building factories in Shanghai. Those are not finished yet. That was part of its strategy here. How long are analysts expecting to see this suspension last, and how badly is it going to dent their business?
No word yet on how long it's going to last. They have to fix these labels. Again, the latest report is that Tesla has reached an agreement with Chinese authorities, but in terms of how long it's going to take to clear these cars, we don't know right now. And so if that lasts a matter of weeks, it could be an issue in terms of their cash flow. If it's a matter of days, it probably wouldn't matter too much.
Okay, great to see you, Jared. Thanks for that on Tesla.